What's good, YouTube? This your boy Race Car Kev. Welcome back to Race Car Kev's TV. Today's episode is going to be about 24K, my personal car. So stay tuned and let's get going. What's good, guys? So I'm here to talk about Mr. 24K here. 24K was passed down to me from my cousin Chad. If you know me, you know who Chad is. He passed away a couple years ago, so rest in peace to my cousin Chad. We're gonna talk about, let's start off with the engine. We currently have a RB25 Neo in there. RB25 Neo. Pistons, rods, cams, valve springs, a mild port, nothing too crazy. We're running a Garrett GT42 76. Tell me what you guys know about the old school gritty Type R blow valve. We have wood grain valve covers, wood grain fuel pressure regulator, wood grain fuel rail. The turbo is wood grain. So shout out to DH Powder Coating for helping me with those things. Very good guy. If you need any dipping parts or any parts to get dipped or powder coated, check him out. Let's go to the brakes. The brakes are Toro brakes, redid by Team Dynamic, same person that painted the car. We painted it yellow, and Pro Signs made me some stickers for the Toro brakes, and I put Race Car Kev on them. Just a little twist. The wheels are Core wheels. Shout out to my boy Jerry that I got the wheels from. The car was painted by Team Dynamic. Very, very good friend of mine's. It's called Millennium Jade. The car was red and we painted it this Millennium Jade color. It comes off of a R34 Skyline. We also have a Gretty muffler. Reason why I choose this muffler is because the car is very, very quiet. I didn't want the loudness anymore, so car is very, very quiet now. Size injectors we have is 2200 IDs. Currently the car is making, I'm not sure, because before we did a lot of changes. I had a T88 turbo on it. The head was stock. That previous time when it was stock, it made 745, 750 horsepower. And because the head was stock, we just left it there. So I took it out for a spin. A couple of days later, it bent valve. So we took the head off, and we built the head now. So we have valve springs in there now, Tomei pond cams. Yeah, so the head is kind of built now. So we haven't tuned the car yet. We're gonna have some content on when the car hits the dyno. The car is currently running on a DTA Fast standalone system. Yeah, S80 DTA Fast, tuned by Premier Performance, Nigel Redwood, which is my team till death do us part. Premier Performance, RB Kings in South Florida. Shout out to my team. The car is currently on E85. We're running 2 AM external pumps through a surge tank. I'll get you a picture of that. I have to clean up that a little bit, but I'll show you guys. Everything is not perfect. So we have a surge tank, have 2 AEM pumps feeding the engine. So we have 1 pump for under 17 psi. As soon as the car sees over 17 psi, the second pump turns on. I choose DTA fast just to be different, you know, and I stick to what my team represent, and we represent DTA fast. So shout out to them. Shout out to Premier Performance. Built by Premier, built by me. We're all one team, so yeah, shout out to them. We have a shift light here. This shift light is also a check engine light, a warning light, etc. Like, say if the car is cold, the light's gonna flash till the car warms up. If the car goes into a limp mode, the light starts to flash. We also have here a rolling anti-lag or a 2-step button. We also have here map 1, map 2, meaning if I want to run pump gas or if I want to run E85 with nitrous, I'll have it there. We currently have some S2000 seats. I don't know, I just love them. They're very, 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 very comfortable. Car is pretty. No cracks on the dashboard. Yes, we utilize that 45 psi. Next dyno session, let's see what she can puts out. So yeah, guys, this is 24K here. Shout out to Team Dynamic. They the one that painted the car. Pinto Paul did the fab work. Came out really nice, loved it. Custom Marines, they did the overflow bottle for me. Shout out to Kevin as well. Shout out to Wiring Solutions, man. If it wasn't for Junior, man, this car wouldn't be where it's at now, man. Shout out to him, bro. He the one wired the car for me. Shout out to Wiring Solutions. It's my boy Junior. Next thing we have on the menu is a catch can in the making. We're gonna get that done from Extreme Motorsports. Shout out to Brian. Oh, and also shout out to my daughter. Do a cartwheel from them, mama. Show them how you can do a cartwheel. Wow. Yeah, she's Team RB too, right? Yeah. So.
I'm your king.
Huh?
I'm your king.
Your RB Kings?
Yeah.
Yes. Give me 5. So she's RB Kings. Shout out to my little one, man. But thank you for everyone for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.